Welcome to Goa News Now, friends. Yesterday, that means 27th of January 2025, Welsav cars along with Alina Saldana, ex-environment minister, खूप गरमागरमी जाल्ली. वेलसाव भागात सेम इश्यू, डबल ट्रॅकिंग आणि तेजेच खातीर खूप कन्फ्रंटेशन ड्रामा. म्हाका दिसता 1-2 वर मायज चल्ले थंय. तेजोच एक भाग आयज कंटिन्युएशन जालेला आसा. बट इन अटेंडन्स टुडे वॉज कॅप्टन विरियाटो फेर्नांडीस, साउथ गोवा MP. तेजे बरोबर आसलेले सेव्हरल NGOs अँड एक्टिविस्ट. एवरीबडी जॉइन टुगेदर टू प्रोटेस्ट. आणि त्यांचे सगळ्याचे म्हणणे आसले दॅट RVNL कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर इलिगली तेंच्यांनी जे डंपिंग केलेले आसा कन्स्ट्रक्शन मटेरियल, दॅट इज ब्लॉकिंग देअर हेरिटेज, विल बी विदाउट एनी ॲक्सेस. आणि तेजेच खातीर प्रोटेस्ट करताले. सगळ्याचे मागणी आसलेली दॅट दीस लँड शूड बी रिस्टोर्ड, इट्स इन ओरिजिनल. खूप गरमागरमी जाली. पुलीस पावले, फ्लाइंग स्क्वॉड पावले. इवन वी हर्ड दॅट कलेक्टर इंटरवेंशन वॉज सॉट. सो आयज एक हाय वोल्टेज ड्रामान वेलसावन कितें जालें, कितें मागणी आसलेली, एवरीथिंग इन दिस व्हिडिओ.
Hello, contempt of court, which I spoke to the collector. She accepted. She said yes, it is contempt of court. आपण आता फोन करून तांका सांगता.
The rule of the law does not exist in the state of Goa. Here are the owners of the houses along this.
सरकार आयकोंक सोदिना आणि थोडे जे आमचे आमदार आहात ते ह्या CMांक, पयलींचे CM जे आहात तेंच्या वांगडा कंपेअर करतात. आयज हे CMान दखल घेवपाक जाय. हे गोंयचे लोक
लँड रिकॉर्ड्सान रेल्वेक बरयलेले आसा की हे पळय लँड पळय आसा हो सद्याक इट्स नॉट अ सेंट्रल सब्जेक्ट, इट इज अ स्टेट सब्जेक्ट एज पर द गोवा लँड.
यूथ ऑफ गोवा आर एम्प्लॉयड इन कोंकण रेल्वे. आमकां ताचो एक फॅक्ट जाय. आमी एक RTI घालतले एंड वी वूड वॉन्ट टू नो की वॉट इज द स्टेटस ऑफ एम्प्लॉयमेंट ऑफ द गोवन यूथ इन रेल्वेज.
Why are we on the tracks? Huh?
Earlier also. So they told it is not in the name of railway also. It is a government land. It is
Who said?
Who said it's a government?
Everybody.
No, where is that
Where
order?
is it written that it's government
Now
land?
it is, if in the case it is not belongs to any individual. It is a government land. So we have started the work. This also.
No, 1 minute. That is your claim that it is government work, government land. But if it was government land, then why this thing has you have
It is
approached
not
the court?
Sir, this land it is from
Sir?
you only the other day you explained
Sir,
to me
excuse me,
this is
sir.
given to land, but this way as per the map everything it is a railway land.
No, it is
No,
not.
that is, see, you're claiming that.
No, claiming that.
You're claiming. That is why you have mentioned here. You have mentioned here that you don't have the complete. This is application filed by your.
Sir, no order is there.
No.
No order is there that unless this is finalized, you shouldn't do the work or anything. Work stoppage. Nothing is there.
Okay, I will give a interpretation of that. Now nobody has got documents as per your this. You also don't have. We also don't have. We means I am now representing the people.
We got
Ownership document is title is not there.
No.
Title name is not
Then why you have said you don't have? You have only partial documents.
no. That's
Ownership is there. Ownership is there, but title document is not there. That's correct fact, sir. Who is attending hearing? You can call that.
Come.
you know very well.
From the survey department. Read and it will. So they approach you approach the survey department for the title. He was having on plan lab.
One minute. Government of Goa to the RVNL. Actually, it should have been to railways, not RVNL, because RVNL is a contractor.
They are representative. No issue.
Clarification in respect of ownership of which do not possess survey number. Pursuant to the oral discussion which undersigned with the DGM Banerjee, unless there is any specific title given in favor of by the then Portuguese government, be it the nature of a grant or affirmation or in the nature of this in 1894, we would not be in a position to say that the land as sought to be certified is of the railways. This is the order of the
DSLR.
Director of Settlement and Land Records. Section 14(1) of the Goa Land Revenue has been amended. Wide order this by the government of Goa, so and so, 1987, where the word central has been omitted, and thus to decide this thing. So it is. I will tell you in the court of the inspector of survey and land records Margao, Goa, and it says applicant is Southwestern Railways versus Village Panchayat, Velsao, Pali, Sorsi, villages of Pale, and they have named all these 46 people, and this is where the proceeding has started. That means the matter is sub judice, ma'am. Yes. So they could have waited before doing all this. That means it is contempt of court. So yes, immediately, please, ma'am.
ना ते कोण ते म्हणटा की तेंचेकडे आसा ते सरपंच पॉइंट कोण येयला आमदार कित्याक म्हणटा ते ऑर्डर ना जाल्यार तेंगे डेप्युटी कलेक्टराकडे ऑर्डर
ना आमी व्हेकल सीज करे
म्हणटा ते
सीज द व्हेकल यस
Sir,
कोर्टान सांगितला लेटर ओके all these villages have filed a complaint saying that they have title documents okay notice येयल्या I think कितले 46 लोक आहा not only 46 in this thing there are village panchayat everybody is involved
ओके भाई आम्हाला डॉक्युमेंट
document हाडला आणि मॅटर 17 तारखे हा सर 17 तारखे मॅटर हिअरिंग
document edited or not?
Come from the government side.
The gentleman
Who?
the white shirt.
उसका नाम क्या है
That means till then it is sub judice. No, you counter me. You counter. What I am going only as per the document.
it is in the railway possession for the last 100 years.
No.
Last 100 years? No.
See, I'll tell you something. I'll tell you. Let us. What he has said, it is in possession. But what he is saying, I will read out again. Section 14, bracket 1 of the Goa Land Revenue Code has been amended. Wide order number 16/14/87/RD. Dated 2010-1987 by the Government of Goa, Department of Revenue, Wide Goa Land Revenue Code Adaptation of Laws Order 1987, where the word central has been omitted. Has been omitted. You cannot say it belongs to you. And thus, the land which is referred
Doing, but railway is doing.
That we are not answering.
Why you are not doing? Railway is doing. You should have something with your.
Isn't it your subcontractor? RVNL
1:30
subcontractor?
at night, I went
Isn't
out
that
and I
other
did the
contractor?
work.
It is clearly written in the court of so and so. I'm watching dakhela tumka copy dakhela. That means by coming here they have violated, they have done contempt of court. We are also strategizing, which I don't want to come on record. तुम्ही डबल ट्रॅकिंगाचे जबरदस्ती आयज आमी हांगा आसा वेलसांव गांवान द प्रॉपर्टी बिलोंग्स टू द प्रिपर वी हॅव द डॉक्युमेंट ओनरशीप एवरीथिंग केस इज इन द कोर्ट डिस्पायट दॅट यू हॅव कम एंड डम्प्ड द सॉयल आयज लोकांचे घरान एंट्रन्स बंद केल्ले आसा जाणटेलो लोक भायर येवपाक तांकां जागो ना एंड टुडे स्टेट गव्हर्मेंट इज क्वायट आय हॅव रिक्वेस्टेड द ऑनरेबल MLA ऑफ करताली मिस्टर आंतोन वाज हांव ताचे कडेन फोनार उलयलां आनी ताणें सांगलां येस आय वील कम आमची मिटींग थारायिल्ली आसा I have requested him, be with the people. And he has said, yes, I will be with the people. I have said, support us.
जायते आमचे सोशल एक्टिविस्ट पॉलिटिकल लिडर्स NGOs हिंगा आयले हाजीर जाले आमचे सरपंच वॉज हियर आवर पंचायत आर हियर सगळे येवन हिंगा आयज आमकां एकवटान आयज आमी आमचे केस थ्रू कॅप्टन विरातो वी हॅव प्रेजेंटेड द केस थ्रू कॅप्टन विरातो साऊथ गोवा MP आनी आमी केस केली प्रेजेंट केली आमचे गोवा पुलीस आहले रेल्वे प्रोटेक्शन फोर्स आहले आनी RVNLचे ऑफिशियल्स आहले कॅप्टनान तांकां स्ट्रेट अवे सांगलें की तुमी एप्लाय केला टू द कोर्ट ऑफ ISLR दॅट यू वॉन्ट टू नोटिफाय दिस लँड एज युअर प्रॉपर्टी म्हळ्यार तेणें कॅप्टनान तांकां एक आमचें डॉक्युमेंट
What is the need for the second track? Why are we laying the second track? We have been fighting against the second track right from inception. When Matani was there, Matani Saldana had brought Sir Parrikar on the tracks. After that, I brought Dr. Pramod Sawant on the track. I brought the Environment Minister, okay, on the track. And they all were shocked at what they saw. They realized how close the houses of the people are and that you cannot have a railway track almost through the houses. But the government seems to be very determined to destroy Goa. Goa is tiny. And one more thing, I think we should not forget, and nobody can hide the fact, that the track is being laid to transport coal. From where is this coal coming? Australia. Where is the coal landing? At Goa's port. Now, how many ports does Goa have? Goa has only one port. Okay. How many ports are there in Karnataka, where the coal is to be transported? Karnataka has about 9 ports. Okay. Why is the coal coming from Australia not landing at one of the ports in Karnataka? And from there it can be carried in the state, within the state, where it is going to...
Misuse of power, I would say. What projects चालू are, railway, I want to ask you, how are you all benefiting, or how are you all benefiting the youth of Goa? आम्ही पळयता की unemployment चालू आहे गोंयान, youth बेकार बसल्यात घरान. How many youth of Goa are employed in Konkan Railway? आमकां ताचो एक फॅक्ट जाय, आमी एक RTI घालतले, and we would want to know की what is the status of employment of the Goan youth in railways. तुम्ही आमचे प्रॉपर्टी, आमचे जे लँड आसा, गोंयची जी लँड आसा ते तुम्ही यूज करता विदाउट प्रोवायडींग बेनिफीट फॉर द यूथ. एक सेकंडली म्हाका दिसता फाटली दिसांनी कोण तरी नांव घेवचो ना, पूण तो म्हणपाक लागलो की अरे तुमी प्रोटेस्ट करता, हे करता, ते करता, पूण अडानी कोणाक रावपाक जाता? अरे जेन्ना तुम्ही जाणा you cannot stop Adani, so that does that mean that if anything Adani initiates we have to give it a completion? If it is going against the public, against the will of the public, against the emotions, against the sentiments, against the peace of the locals, why we need such projects?
This belongs to the landowners. पण रेल्वे म्हणटा की लँड ही आपणाची, सो तेका लागून प्रोमोल्गेशन ऑफ लँडाक लागून आयज हियरिंग चलता इन इन्स्पेक्टर ऑफ सेटलमेंट लँड रिकॉर्ड्स इन मारगांव. आता एज पर अ लेटर ऑफ 2022 जे DSLRान, डायरेक्टर ऑफ सेटलमेंट एंड लँड रिकॉर्ड्सान रेल्वेक बरयलेलें आसा की हें पळय लँड पळय आसा हो सद्याक इज नॉट अ सेंट्रल सब्जेक्ट, इट इज अ स्टेट सब्जेक्ट एज पर द गोवा लँड रेव्हेन्यू कोड. आता एज पर दीस क्लियरली पळय DSLR म्हणटा की इफ यू हॅव डॉक्युमेंट्स प्लीज show it, and as per that we will certify whether this is railway land or belongs to the villages of this area. Now it is very clear that when the case is going, hearing is going on, हे लँड फिलिंग चालू जालें. आता पळय फ्लायंग स्क्वॉड येयला, ही माती खंयच्यान हाडली, हे ट्रक कशे ट्रान्सपोर्ट करता, खंयचो दोंगर, कोणाचो दोंगर कातरता, हेजेर आमकां फ्लायंग स्क्वॉड आयज हेजेर सीज जातले. पण कोण हितून भागाक आसा म्हणून
आमचो गोंयचो CM कित्याक उलयना? फक्त कॅप्टन विर्याटून कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट घेतला उलोवपाचें. कॅप्टन विर्याटून कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट घेतला, आयज तो येयला, तो तेंच्या कडेन हांगासर झगडटा. बाकीचे लोक खंय गेले रे? कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सींतलो आमदार जावलो हांगासर, कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सींतलो आमदार जावलो कितें रे? साऊथ गोवाचे बाकीचे जे आमदार आहा तेंच्यांनी एका सपोर्ट करपाक जाय आसलेलो. सगळ्यांनी हांगा उबे रावपाक जाय आसलेले. एक मनीस झगडोंक शकना. आमी एक्टिविस्ट सगळ्यांक सत्या खातीर उबे रावतले सदांच. कळ्ळें तुका? हे जे प्रोजेक्ट जे केले आमच्या फायद्या खातीर न्हू, गोंयकारांच्या फायद्या खातीर न्हू. हो डबल ट्रॅकिंग आमकां वालांकनी वचपाक न्हू, हो तिरुपती वचपाक न्हू, हो JSWचो कोल हॉस्पेड व्हरपाक, कर्नाटकान व्हरपाक. आयज कर्नाटकान कितलेशे पोर्ट आसा आनी गोंयान आमचे हो एकूच पोर्ट आसा. आनी आयज आमच्या ह्या पोर्टाचेर प्रेशर घालून आमी प्रॉब्लेम कितें जाला ना, आमचे लोक शांत सुशेगाद वोगी रावता म्हणून आमकां भोगचें पडटा. सो आयज म्हाज्या हिसपान जाल्यार सगळ्या गोंयच्या लोकांनी भायर सरोन हांगासर येवपाची गरज. आनी वेलसांव कितें तांडव चल्ला न्हू.
आमगे 4 वर्सां बाय आहा तें जालें मुगे दिमी बरी मुगे गोपाय म्हण लोंगड जायना, कितू 30-40 वर्सां जालीं. थिंग म्हळ्यार थिंग होंड मान दवरला, मुगे 2 पाटे होंडा पडलो. सांगिल्लें तेंकां तो होंड कितें दाखोवन तुमी कोराय म्हळ्यार तो होंडूय तेच आमगे घरा हाडल्या कोणय. दुसरें आमकां बाये घेवन इस्कला वयता येता आमकां ना रस्तो ना. पळय थिंग माती घालून दवरले आमकां केसो त्रास. ते मातये वयले आमी बाये घेवन गेले आनी कितें आहलें आमकां सारकें एकदम त्रास जाता. हे रेल्वे आमकां आनी रस्तो ना बाबा, आमकां आनी रस्तो ना. हाडल्यान दर्यो आमकां रस्तो ना. दर्यांतल्यान वचपाचें आनी मरपाचें. आनी कितें म्हणचें आनी तूं वयल्यान सांगल्या म्हणटाय तुम पुलिशे सांगाय कोण तुमगे मिनिस्टरा सांगाय. अरे बाबा रस्त्या माती घालनाक रे, सायड कितें कोत्तें सारकें कोरया रे, सायडी घाल्याय रे, आमकां रस्तो हुंया रे. वयल्यान म्हणटाय तूं आमी दुरी काडल्याय, तुम खुंयच्या वयतलीं अशें करून आनी उलयताय. तुम दुरी काडली म्हणटाय, तुम खुंयच्या वयतलीं काय म्हणटाय म्हाका.
सो तुम कितें मागताय?
हांव कितें मागत बाबा, आतां आमकां हिंगा लोकांक आमकां नाका, आमकां डबल ट्रॅक नाका, आमगे सारकें तें कोण आहा रेल्वे, आमकां डबल ट्रॅक नाका आनी कितें बरें तें करपाचें. देव बरें.
जाल्यार हे डेव्हलपमेंट रे कॅप्टन वेन्सी जाता, हे सगळें पळय पाड जालां, इलिगल जालां. जरी तर तुजो CM नंबर 1 आसलो आनी डेव्हलपमेंटाक लागून ताका शाबासकी इतली दिवपाक तूं इतलो उचांबळ जालो जाल्यार तुवें आयज हिंगा येवपाची गरज आसलेली. आयज कॅप्टन वेन्सी हिंगा कित्याक ना? रस्त्यार सगळे एक्टिविस्टांनी लोकांनी भोंवपाचें.